when it would come down here to support, this is where you'd pick up the buy, right? So you'd buy your 1,000 shares or however many right here. You'd wait for it to pop up. You can see this channel right here. You could do this over and over and over. See it? Then it would automatically have one of these nice runs. And this is where you make a ton of money. Then it would go back down. You'd look for the next channel. You can see it touched here, popped back up. So you're reading channels. You're looking for bounces and areas it's going to go. Like right here, he might not have traded anything. He waited until he saw this channel started to form. See it? Touched, 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 touched. Every time you buy here and you sell it when it moves up. You see this?